Hi kids, I am teacher Joanna and welcome to our English class. Get your pen and paper ready for our 5-item spelling. Ready? Let's start. Number 1. Spell the word instructional. Number 2. Spell the word awareness. Number 3. Spell the word research. Number 4. Spell the word reproduction. Number 5. Spell the word broadcast. Word of the day, feast. It is a noun meaning an elaborate and usual abundant meal, often accompanied by a ceremony or entertainment. Let's use it in a sentence. Every guest brought a different dish to a party, and we had quite a feast. Synonyms: abundance, plenty, wealth. Let's have antonyms. It means deficiency, inadequacy, and undersupply. Idiom of the day, we have a blessing in disguise, a good thing that seems bad at first. Today, we're going to learn about visual media. At the end of the lesson, you were expected to analyze the different elements of visual media.
Who among you loves to read a book? How about a magazine or even a newspaper? Great. I know you can read book and any other reading materials. But kids, do you know how to read a picture? Let's see if you know how to read a picture. Let's analyze the picture by answering the following question. Who are the subject of the image? The subjects of the image are the two ladies sitting at a distance from each other while staring at a sign. Where do you think is the setting? The setting is in the park. What are the ladies staring at? The ladies are staring at the sign. What first captured your attention? The sign between the ladies. What is the central message of the image? The central message of the image is to be disciplined like the two ladies who are following what is in the sign, to have a physical distancing. Do you know that this picture is what we call or an example of a visual? What is visual? It is something you look at such as picture, chart, or piece of film that is used to illustrate something, which makes the content more appealing or easier to understand. What is visual media? Sources of information in the form of visual representations. This can be abstraction, analogs, rough illustrations, or digital reproduction of the object. There could be an interpretation of data, and sources may be hosted on the internet, printed in publications, displayed through broadcast media, and in many other ways. Visual media are what the human eyes can see, like advertising, art, communication, education, business, and engineering, and also often used as a learning aid. We have three types of visual media: images, videos, infographics. In images, we have marketing, social awareness, and instructional. The most common type of visual media being used by the online marketers today. Videos are swimmers, product, news, are very engaging content. Internet users prefer to watch videos because they want to see what a product can do for them in real life. Infographics, we have line graphs, bar graphs, and bar charts. Are visually attractive and present research facts in a way that are very simple to understand. What is the purpose of visual media? We use visual aids to express our opinions and desires. We have natural tendency to pay attention to visual like graphics and illustration. However, the technological revolution reshaped the visual media landscape. Visual media help us retain our concept and ideas. They make concept more accessible to a person than the text media and help with later recall. What are online sources? Material you find online. It can be an online newspaper, magazine or a television website, peer-reviewed journal, web pages, forums, and blogs. Other terms for online resources are electronic sources, web sources, internet sources.
Get your pen and paper ready for our fun-filled activity. Directions. Study the infographic below. It is a COVID-19 update in the Philippines. Interpret the data and answer the following question carefully. Number 1. What gender has the most number of deaths? Number 2. What age range has the highest death rate? Number 3. What age range has the lowest death rate? Number 4. What is the source of this update? Number 5. What is the source of the basic data in this update? Let's answer. What gender has the most number of deaths? The answer is male. Number 2. What age range has the highest death rate? The answer 60 to 69 years old. What age range has the lowest death rate? And the answer is 30 to 39 years old. And number 4, what is the source of this update? The answer is ABS-CBN Investigative and Research Group. And number 5, what is the source of the basic data in this update? The answer is Department of Health. Remember, visual media is very important because you can convey your message in engaging way. It allows you to see and hear the information, making it easier to retain. For your assignment, answer the activity on your module, English 6, page 20.